Hello guys, this is second part of admob ad tutorial. This is quick video on how to generate admob ad unit. So, first of all, open admob website. Link given in description. Then, create your account by clicking sign up. But here I have already account, so I sign in my account. To create ad unit, go to apps, and select add app. Now here enter any name of your app, as your wish. And select your app platform. Here I select Android. Now here you find many ads formats, like banner ad, interstitial ad, rewarded video ad and native ad. So for video, I select banner ad. Now here you find many customization options for your desired ad. You can select custom format, and change color of ad, that match your app layout. Here I select default standard option. And then, give a name of your ad unit, anything you want. Okay, now your ad unit is generated. This is your ad unit ID. So, just copy this ad unit ID and use it into your app. So hope you guys like the video. Also watch my previous video on how to place admob ads into app. Also, subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. And at last, thanks for watching and have a good day.
या फिर हमारे फेसबुक हेल्पिंग ग्रुप में पूछ सकते हैं।